Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Ausher. This is their 10-watt fast charge wireless charging pad that you can check out on Amazon at the time of this review for $17.99. Also, through the end of June, they will have a coupon code that I'll list below that'll save you 30% off of that price. So if you're looking for a good wireless charging pad that supports fast wireless charge, you might want to check this one out. Stay tuned, we'll dig right in, and I'll be right back. Let's take a quick look at the back of the box here that's going to tell us about this particular charging pad. They say right off the bat, attention, please use a 9-volt 1.67 amp or a 5-volt 2 amp adapter to ensure the charging effect. Now what that means is that your input is DC 5 volt at 2 amps for regular wireless charging and DC 9 volt at 1.67 amps for that fast wireless charge. Output is 10 watts max, and your transmission distance on this is going to be equal to or lesser than 8 millimeters. So you want to make sure that you have a case on this that is not going to go over 8 millimeters from the edge of the phone, and you will have no problems charging on this particular charger. Okay, so let's take a look at everything out of the box. You're going to, of course, get your main unit here. This will be the charging pad where you will replace your phone. You will get a warranty and service card. They do warranty this for 18 months. And you do get a charge cable, which is a standard USB to micro USB charge cable. You can plug this USB plug into any PC or laptop USB port, and you will get regular wireless speeds. If you want to get the fast wireless charge, I suggest you use either one that came with your phone, or you can use any QC 2.0 or 3.0 certified AC to USB adapter like this one here. Very simple and easy to hook this up and use it. We're going to test it in just a second. I want to kind of go over this little handout here. It's just a warranty card. Again, you get 18 months of warranty. You can contact them at Ausher at 126.com if you need to. Some of the specifications listed here again as we've already gone over. So hold on to it just in case you need to reference it. So let's take a look at the main unit itself. It's got a really nice rubberized matte texture on the top, and this keeps your phone from sliding around, and I really like that. On some of them they don't do such a great job, but on this one they definitely did. The LED ring that runs around the entire unit will turn 2 different colors, and I'll show you that in just a second, and it's got 4 feet on the bottom that really keep it in place on your desk or whatever surface. On the back, you're going to have that micro USB charge port where we will hook this up and show you guys exactly how it gets started. Okay, so once we're hooked up here, you're going to see that there's a green LED that goes around the entire unit, and that is to show you that you do have power. Now, when we do put a phone on this and it is charging, it will change to blue to let you know that it is connected and charging. This LED ring is not very bright, so you don't have to worry if you're going to have this on your bedside table. Another thing I like to do, I have a Galaxy Note 8 here that supports fast charging. I have a Spigen Tough Armor case on this, and I want to make sure, of course, that it is case friendly. So we're just going to plop this down right in the middle of the charging pad. Takes a second to register. You're going to see I'm already at 100%, but if we pull the shade down, and you notice that the LED ring is now blue to know that we do have a connection, you'll see on the shade that it is fast wireless charging. So if you have a phone like the Samsung line of phones that support fast wireless charging and you want to have a case-friendly charger, then this charger fits the bill. This charger charges through my Spigen Tough Armor case with no problems whatsoever. Just takes an initial second or two to register the phone. Does turn from green to blue on that LED ring, and we are again fast charging on this device. So this definitely supports fast charging. I like the design of the pad itself and the fact that it is case friendly. Ausher did a great job on this particular charge pad, and I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. So that's my review of the Ausher 10-watt fast charge wireless charging pad. Again, you can pick it up for $17.99 at the time of this review on Amazon. You'll have that link in the description below. And if you're lucky enough to pick it up before the end of June, you can use the coupon code that I'll also have listed below to save an extra 30% off of this, which makes it an excellent deal if you're looking for a wireless charging pad that supports fast wireless charging. Now, if you have an iPhone X or an iPhone 8 or an 8 Plus, they will still work with this. You just won't get that fast wireless charging, but you'll certainly get wireless charging with it, and it'll work just fine. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this charge pad, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.